These are the top 3 things that I wish I knew before buying my first apartment building. My name's Tyler Devereaux. I own well over 3,000 units all across the US, 400 million in assets. And if I would have known these 3 things, I would have even more at this time. Number 1, don't put all your money into one deal, man. You put all your eggs into one basket, somebody's gonna take the eggs and the motherfucking basket. You need to raise capital, and that is providing value to other people that then provides value to you. Don't just leverage your own money, leverage the money of others. Number 2 is that the bigger the property, the better the property. The bigger the property, the lower the risk. The bigger the property, the better the returns. The bigger the property, the more value you can provide to investors. Bigger doesn't mean more risk. Bigger actually is safer. Number 3 is to not buy off of speculation. In my mind, man, I was taught and I thought that real estate always appreciates in value. Speculation is buying based off a value in the future, that it's just gonna go up in the future. Don't ever buy off of just speculation, man. That puts you at a ton of risk. We need to buy for cash flow. Cash flow is king, man. If my property is cash flowing when I buy, it will continue to cash flow throughout, and it will make me even more money when I exit. If I'm gonna throw in a bonus, which I'm going to, it is to believe in myself earlier and sooner, man. You can do these big deals. Anybody can, as long as you put in the frickin' work. And guess what? It's a lot of hard work and it's worth every frickin' second. Go put in the work, believe in yourself, and make it happen.